Elevate your kitchen. Brew, fuel, bake, and craft any recipe you want with the most precise kitchen scale ever created. Our custom coffee brewing guide features built-in auto-start timers, making it intuitive and easy to follow. Master the art of coffee making by brewing a perfect cup every time. If you care about nutrition, you can use the Measurrd scale to meal plan efficiently. Use our app for calorie tracking and portion control. Reach your health goals and improve your wellness by preparing fresh whole foods for meals and snacks. Enjoy delicious, nutritious meals and transform your cooking experience. Not only that, but you can import any recipe you want and edit it to your taste. Less mess and no measuring cups means you spend more time baking and less time cleaning. Measurrd automatically converts both imperial and metric units of measurement, making your recipe book smarter than ever. It's not all work in the kitchen. Have fun choosing from hundreds of our delicious cocktail recipes and master mixology instantly. Our Aura LED guide makes pouring from the bottle effortless. Impress everyone and unlock culinary perfection with the Measurrd Precision Smart Scale. Join us on our mission to revolutionize your kitchen and back us today.